Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you never miss an update. Today I'm going to show you an amazing feature in Canva that allows you to generate images for free using AI. So let's get started. First, let's head over to Canva. If you don't already have an account, you can sign up for free. Just go to canva.com and click on the sign up button. Once you are logged in, you will be on Canva homepage. Now let's create a new design. Click on the create a design button on the top right corner. You can choose any template size you want. For this tutorial, I will select Instagram post because it's a popular size. On the left hand side, you will see a menu with different options. Click on the apps which looks like a grid of squares. Scroll down until you find Magic Media. This is Canva's AI image generator. Click on Magic Media and a new panel will open up on the left side of the screen. This is where the magic happens. You can type in any description and AI will create an image based on your text. So let's try it out. In the text box, type something like sunset over a mountain. Then click on the generate image button. It might take a few seconds, but look at that. Canva just created a beautiful sunset image based on our description. You can adjust the size settings too. For example, you can choose the style of the image like photo, drawing type or 3D type. Let's try generating the same description with a dreamy style. Pretty cool, right? Canva's AI can create a wide range of images and you can experiment with different styles and descriptions to get exactly what you need. Once you have the image you like, you can drag and drop it onto your canvas. From here, you can customize it further, add text, elements or other graphics to make your design perfect. And there you have it. Creating images with AI in Canva is super easy and fun. Plus, it's a great way to get high quality visuals without spending time. So, next time you need an image for your project, give Canva's AI image generator a try. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and leave a comment below with any questions or suggestions for future videos. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.